Today, I'm excited to share my current definitive flow for YouTube video production. It's not necessarily perfect, but I'm constantly refining it. Right now, my goal is to master the latest AI tools to create high-quality, proper videos all by myself at the fastest speed possible. My production process consists of these 5 steps. Step 1, I create a structured draft with Gemini and summarize the script in Google Docs. Step 2 is the most crucial part. I manually paste the text into the Gemini prompt field on the right side of Google Slides to shape the slides. Step 3, I generate high-quality AI audio using Google AI Studio. Step 4, I perfectly sync the images and audio within Clipchamp. And finally, step 5, I finish the subtitles and BGM in Vrew to complete the video. After that, I use Opal to generate a draft for Note, all at once. By creating just one video, I can expand my reach to blogs and SNS. This multi-platform deployment, leveraging AI to maximize efficiency, is truly my signature style. Step 1 begins with an intensive brainstorming session with Gemini. At this stage, I don't just create a structure draft, I also carefully refine the specific prompts that will be pasted into Google Slides later in the process. I make sure to embed detailed background info and character settings into the prompts. For example, specifying that the narrator is a Japanese man in his late 60s. By doing this, the AI can accurately grasp my true intent. Once I have perfectly written out the title, body text, and narration for each slide, I export and save it to Google Docs. This meticulous preparation is what determines the final quality of the video. This is the part of my workflow that surprises people the most. I paste the content from the document into the Gemini prompt field on the right side of Google Slides. But here's the secret. I don't touch the slide design at all. The layout, font selection, and color schemes are all handled automatically by the AI. Based on the prompt I provide, the AI builds the slides with a perfect design. Instead of just leaving everything to chance, I manually provide the AI with the right prompt. By doing just that, a proper, high-quality slide is completed in an instant, requiring no further edits. This combination of speed and precision is the ultimate benefit of mastering AI. For audio generation, I utilize the TTS synthesis in Google AI Studio. What's truly amazing is that modern AI does more than just read text. It can express a rich range of emotions, sounding as if a real human is speaking. I can specify emotional nuances to match the content, whether it's joy, a calm tone, or a gentle conversational touch, allowing the audio to resonate deeply with the audience. To ensure a smooth editing process later on, I carefully manage these high-quality audio files by matching each one to its corresponding slide number. Next, I combine the individual images and audio files using Clipchamp. The main reason I use this tool is that it's incredibly easy to convert them into a single video format just by lining up the still images and the audio. My specific approach here is to intentionally exclude BGM and export the file with only the images and voice. First, I focus on building a solid video framework that perfectly matches the audio. By having it in video format at this stage, the final finishing work in Vrew becomes dramatically smoother. For the finishing touches, it's finally time for Vrew. The main reason I love using Vrew is the incredible accuracy of its subtitles. When watching other YouTube videos, it's a bit disappointing to see uncorrected kanji errors or subtitles that just don't make sense, isn't it? With Vrew, the advanced AI accurately analyzes the audio and generates subtitles using the correct kanji that fits the context. By doing a quick final check myself, I can ensure the subtitles are accurate and easy to read, setting my content apart from the rest. Finally, I add the BGM. To make sure my voice remains the clear focus, I'm very particular about setting the volume to exactly 5%. This results in a high-quality video that provides a seamless, stress-free experience for the viewer.
Once the video is finished, but before I hit publish, I consult Gemini to brainstorm selling titles. What's truly impressive is that Gemini doesn't just suggest titles, it generates incredibly rich and persuasive content for the video description and tags in an instant. By leveraging my unique strength, my real-life experiences in Chiang Mai, Thailand, Gemini proposes 5 different patterns of resonant phrases that seniors will find impossible not to click. From the vast pool of ideas the AI generates, I simply pick the one that feels most right and paste it into YouTube Studio. I use the power of AI to bring my personal vision into its best possible form and release it to the world. Finally, we come to the part I'm most passionate about, multi-platform deployment. This is where I use Opal, a powerful tool provided by Google. It's truly like magic. All I have to do is copy and paste the URL of the video I just published on YouTube. With just that, the AI perfectly understands the video content and automatically generates a high-quality, easy-to-read article draft that's ready to be posted on Note without me having to do a single thing. Through the power of Google's AI, the single effort of creating one video instantly expands to multiple platforms like Note and Facebook. This is the ultimate realization of the multi-platform deployment that I advocate. Finally, let's review the 3 key phrases to keep you on track. First, manual copy-paste is the surest way for slides. Second, merge first in Clipchamp and use Vrew for the finishing touches. And third, set the BGM volume to 5% in Vrew. As long as you follow these basics, you can make AI your ally, and anyone can consistently create proper, high-quality videos. Now, let's take a look at the actual work screen. First, let's look at the interaction with Gemini. As you can see, I input specific prompts like this to co-create the core structure of the video. Everything begins right here with this dialogue with AI. Once the plan is finalized in Gemini, I organize it into Google Docs like this. The key is to arrange the title, body text, and narration for each slide into a format that's easy to copy and paste later. And here it is, the actual process of the famous manual copy-paste. I'm pasting the text from the document into the Gemini prompt field on the right side. Building the presentation like this, slide by slide, while confirming the design with my own eyes, this is my most reliable method. Next is the audio. I open Google AI Studio and have it read the narration script. I configure the settings for a warm and friendly voice, creating high-quality audio that perfectly fits each slide. Now I'm lining up the exported audio and slide images in Clipchamp. I fine-tune the display time of each image by looking at the audio waveforms. By fitting them together like a puzzle, I build the solid framework of the video. The final touch is in Vrew. The AI automatically generates the subtitles, so I just need to correct any typos to finish it up. I also add my carefully selected BGM here. And I make sure not to forget to set the volume to exactly 5%. Once the video is ready, I consult Gemini one last time. I have it suggest several titles that leverage my personal experiences and make viewers want to click. From those options, I pick the one that resonates the most. Finally, I'll expand even further from this single video. The Opal tool I use here is truly amazing.
Just by loading the video URL, it doesn't just transcribe the words, it automatically creates a polished draft. The quality is so high that it's ready to be posted on Note or SNS as is, without any further editing. This is the full picture of the YouTube production and multi-platform deployment that I've developed through my ongoing trial and error. I will continue to master the latest AI tools and keep exploring even better ways to create. Detailed explanations are also available on my Note blog. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.